everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got Hotwheels Fiat 500E. This casting is basically new release, or maybe just a touch up, I don't know. But it's a new one as far as the model is considered, because earlier it was just a 500. Now you get the electric version of it, and this one is 500E. So let's look at it. How does it look and what's all in it? So the first thing you will notice the red paint, these wheels which you might have seen on the different Hot Wheels throughout the years. We got the turn indicator here, and the only thing that says it's electric is right there, 500E badge. Apart from that, it looks pretty identical to 500 to me. Up front you got detailed headlamp, detailed Fiat badge, fog lights, I would say, turn indicators, and this white color. I don't know why they did it in white. The base and everything looks so weird in white. Also, the interior is done white too. I don't know if the actual car. I think the actual car comes with the body matched interior, body color matched. On the driver's side, obviously it's a two-door. Nothing major. You see this design or stickers going on the side. You can see the white interior, obviously. Got mirrors on both the sides, that's a good thing. Coming to rear, no major details here. You can see the tail lamp, the number plate holder, everything, but none of them are painted. Coming to the passenger side, almost identical. The only difference I can say is the fuel filler or charging cap here. And this is how it looks from the top. So overall, it's not a special casting. Also, some of the castings are really good. This is just a average casting, and wanted to add it because I obviously don't have 500E in my collection, but nothing special. Now, most preferably I will swap the wheels, might make it look better. So those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think about this.